As I just want to remember what I want to talk. Because I don't even get what I want to talk at all. But seriously, but most of us when they go church, I will really talk about which church because we all started from the church. It's that we will say start from church also. Is that I will talk from church. Well, again, one time most times I will come crack joke for church. I saw I crack one joke, funny joke for inside church one day. And I saw one guy just come meet me say, everybody just shake me say, holy face. No, friend say you will crack joke for church. Finish, we will come to meet you say, man, you did well. That was a wonderful one. Ah, the Lord will strengthen you. Holy face, the Lord will strengthen you. I say, amen. One guy meets me say, holy face, the Lord will strengthen you. I say, amen. And one guy come small picking your community say, holy face, the Lord will threaten you. I said, the Lord will threaten you too. Before you say rubbish things. No, so you need to understand. And again, I don't understand what as sisters, our ladies, they do again. Seriously. Before, you know, so normally before, the sisters, before you see normal person, you just draw makeup, do makeup. They will just do foundation, can't do all the whole thing. Now, if you see some sisters, then they don't agree laugh again. If they go comedy shows, they don't agree laugh again. Because they don't do first foundation, second one, can't do third one. What the third one can't do now, they don't fit laugh again. So now, they don't laugh now, they laugh. God, you're funny. One day, once I crack joke, I saw the joke mistakenly hit the girl, and so the girl laugh. If you see the makeup, can't get thunder strike for face. Now, I go say, what happened? Thunder strike for your face. Yes, that's true. But now, I'll just talk this on. I'll go. I think I'll go. Now, most times, we see things when they happen for Nigeria as a whole. Those times where our president, when they say Mandela died, the death of Mandela, when Mandela died, many presidents can't give speech about Mandela. Now, our president, Jonathan Aye, he no fit attend. He can send 4 people to represent our country, Nigeria. He send his wife. You know, I know Mama now. Send his wife. Send Peter Doche, Chiwotalago, and Olu Jacob. 4 people to go represent Nigeria for CNN. The first person they interview, they go do mistake. Just interview Mama. Say, Mama, can you tell us, as a what can you say about Nelson Mandela? Can you tell us something? That's what they interview Mama. Mama say, hey, I was just sleeping under my pillow when I heard that Mandela was dead. Oh, Mandela, you have make Africa a widow. Eh? How come? That don't finish. Then they ask the next person. Say, sorry. The next person was Peter Doche. You know, say that man like parable so much. That man, they give him king of parable. And they ask him, what can you say about Nelson Mandela? And start, hey! An antelope has fallen. When the tortoise, what he consign tortoise for the matter? You know what? Now, we couldn't end there. Now, the next person they can't give that man a dramatic person. You know, Chiwotalago, now that man, any movie, he must get one talk when he must talk. And they ask and say, sir, what can you say about Nelson Mandela? Now he said, Mira Mefi, Naya, Che, Mira Mefi, Naya. Now I say, sir, sorry, before you marry Mefi, just Mefi and go away, eh? Thank you. Now, the last person we can't help us, we come on shame for our face. Now, Olu Jacob. Now they bring the last person and say, can you say something about Nelson Mandela? Olu Jacob. But the man is saying an Hollywood film in the art. They say, now only king, now only Jacob is the only king where they cry for movie. We're supposed to show king, but they cry. Now they say, sir, what can you say about Nelson Mandela? In a movie, Spirit. Now you can movie Spirit, come back to real life. Because then, you know in life, you need to do something. Mandela, 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 my bosom friend, that came, and took him away.
All right. Correct one. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, Holy Face. Yeah. Okay, so Holy Face, quickly now. This weekend, something they come up.
Yeah.
Your events they come up, your comedy show they come up.
Yeah.
Quickly tell them about them, sharp.
The event this Sunday, 5th of June.
Okay.
Is held at Event Center with Alori Sulere.
For Event Center for Alori for Sulere, okay?
Yeah. So
who will they for there?
Gandoki, Ajebo, Ajibaba, MC Shaggy, Ogbolo, like Passions Boss and ONG.
Artists them will call people that will call Boss Baby.
Dice is.
Okay.
And what do you call some other upcoming artists as well.
They go full there,
do their
so now many for artists. So soon people them at least and everybody with the environment. Look at me sure say on Sunday all of now go watch Holy Face and other.
No, there's a Nigerian people. There's a Sule people. They like free.
They like free. No, we go see drop the bar. Of course. So how much be the whole thing now? One a year, not be free. If I book you for your gate.
So people now come inside the money again. They'll call the see one split into two. Okay. Now 1,000 naira for the normal people regular. Yes. When we be like say we not give regular people chance to come out. 1,000 naira, then 2,000 naira VIP, then 30,000 for table for four.
I mean, so what do they find again? That one cheap, rich.
You understand?
For the table, you know, if possible, all break sugar cane. Can't put this thing on top, you know. When they carry toothpick. Get you take package. Don't cut sugar cane cut and don't put that for one small correct fine bowl. Put that for one table.
But no matter how you give them, no matter, they feel say that food they need to eat them as much.
Right. Nobody don't try. All right, Holy Face, thank you very much. You joined us on top of the show. Yeah, all right, and then, ladies and gentlemen, don't go anywhere. We'll still there, and one more person, one other guy still come to come do music for us. All right, so Nigeria will get plenty of talent. You understand? Now just want to give the platform for these guys to showcase their stuff. If they don't follow you on top social media, how do they follow you?
Okay, on Instagram, Holy Face on Instagram. Then Facebook. Just Holy Face Vincent on Facebook.
Okay. All right. So, when I don't hear from Holy Face, make sure you check them out on that particular level. And, of course, on Sunday, we'll go support our very own brother. All right. So, we'll come back right now. No go anywhere.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.